Here we got a before and after video of the 1977 Datsun B210. We got a little engine bay video of what it looked like. That side still looks that way, but the right side I've been working on, and I'll show you some video images of what I've done so far. Hope you enjoy this video.
Perfect.
Here I removed the wire harness so that I can sand and prep and weld the engine bay area. As you can see, I had to take off several parts like the brake, proportional valves, and the brake master. I also got to take the booster off at some point, but there's the hole for the firewall where the wire harness goes. I took that plate number off and kind of cleaned it off a little bit, but yeah, this is a big job, and I'm happy to take it in. Here's the left side, man. It's pretty rough looking, but it's gonna come out real good. In a little while you'll see what I done to the other side. Here we can see the right side. It used to be this bad. It's not that bad no more, but yeah, it's just pretty rough. I think this car came from up north, because the roof of this car is in good shape. You know, everything on top is in good shape. Here I took those barretas out of the way. The moldings, I think they were installed at the dealer. I don't think Datsun put them on. Rust bucket, that's the name of the car, the rust bucket. There we have it, Señor Dos, waiting on some parts.